What is up, scrappers, tool addicts, tool collectors? How are you today? So normally I don't pop up on YouTube during the week. It's Tuesday about 7 o'clock at night. We're gonna address this Bonney wrench. I hit Harbor Freight, bought a little doozy, so to speak, of Evaporust, the magic juice. We're gonna drop her in here, and we're gonna let it go. Then we'll probably throw some other things in here too that may need a derust, like a few other things. So we got these nippers that I found at a garage sale or at the market. I think we're going to put them in there. Let that magic juice go. Wow, that's tight. So we're going to let this go for like a day. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip them over. We're going to let them go for another day. These are going to sit here for a while. This stuff works really, really, really well, you guys. Like I'm shocked that it's that well. Seriously. So yeah. Let's see what else. So this fly tying device, we'll throw that in there too. That's rusty as hell. Anything else rusty around here? Probably. Everything's rusty, Ccscraps. Not all of it, but a bit of it. Something else I wanted to toss in there too. Some of these box wrenches I picked up in a haul. Actually, the main reason why we're on YouTube right now is because I picked some tools up from a coworker, and I had an offer I couldn't refuse, y'all. In the Evaporust. Come on, Bonney. There we go. Watch this. Use your head, Ccscraps. There we go. See? Look at that. There we go. Thanks again, Gene, for this. You're all right, brother. I appreciate it, man. Like I said, I wouldn't have gave that to nobody. So let's get started with the video here. So, picked up this Clark. It's Clark hammer drill. Most likely from a foreign country, but this matches my drill press, so I had to have it. I can't see where it's made. It's probably China or Taiwan. Preferably it's Taiwan. That would be nice, but my Clark drill press, I do believe, is from China. Anyway, we got this Milwaukee hand drill. Some of this stuff needs work. So, I picked up that drill press or that hammer drill, this Milwaukee. This Skill 4.5 horsepower drill, corded. I like to have some corded drills. They're good to have when you want to really whomp on stuff. This old school Skill. I'm just doing this video quick because I got to get it in the house because dinner's ready. And Mrs. Ccscraps, we got to hang around. So, which I always look forward to. It's good to come home to a beautiful wife and a loving wife. It's a godsend. It needs a cord here. All of this works. I know the guy I got it from, and he's legit. So, oh, and last but not least, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. What's that say? Is that backward? Anyway, you guys know what it says, and you know what that means. Border cable started in Syracuse, New York. I have a saw. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm off camera. Don't be sad. I'll be back soon, everybody. Here we go. Yeah. Right here. This is a Porter cable guide saw. And read that badging. Can y'all see that? What's it say? Does it say Syracuse, New York? I'm thinking it does. So, on that note, what do you think is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Wow, that's I gotta put that up high. What do you think it's gonna be? What do you think it's gonna be? You. I think that it's gonna be a Porter Cable vintage belt sander. What's up with that? Gentleman that gave it to me, thank you, B. Ron. Needs a worm gear. If I can't get this running, it's a wall hanger. Regardless, it stays with Ccscraps. This thing is the cat's ass. Like, seriously. I want to hear it, to be honest with you. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the little plug we got going on right on the bench here. Oops, it went a little dark because I knocked my ring light out. Here we go. Sorry, everybody. Waiting for Mrs. Ccscraps to come outside, but I don't know if she's going to. Yeah, we want the Vibros to look like piss. That's what we want it to look like. Because that's the color of it. I keep knocking the cord out. Hold on. Look like pee-pee? Pee-pee. There we go. All right, so ready, set. Oh, we got us a project, you guys. I got no power. That's okay, though. And I knocked the ring light out again. I don't care. This is going to be a project, and this thing is badass. Yeah. So let's unplug it. I don't want to take any risks with power or anything, and I probably should have put a meter on to see if I had continuity before I plugged it in, but I didn't need to because I'm still here talking to you guys. So there it is. We'll see you on the next one, probably Saturday morning as usual. Tune on in. Ccscraps, please check me out on Instagram. Later.